You said stem cells. So what is stem cells therapy in this orthopedic? Because we have heard stem cells in other things, in other speciality, but we have never heard about in orthopedic.
Right. So stem cells is a broad term. Stem cells are basically cells which we take from our own body and then use those cells to regenerate something, to repair some damaged tissue. So in orthopedics, if we talk, stem cells can be used for genetic problems. Like you must have heard, many people are taking cord blood and storing it. So if the baby has some sort of genetic problems, then these stem cells can be used. But this is not at the moment approved by a lot of regulatory bodies, so it is still under research. Another thing which you can do with stem cells is to help grow the bone. So if there is a very resistant type of non-union of a fracture which is not healing, then the stem cells are very beneficial to, if you put the stem cells around the fracture, the bone heals beautifully.
Okay.
Then the other thing is cartilage damage. So cartilage, if for the benefit of the viewers I am saying, it is a layer over the bone ends in the joint which helps in smooth functioning of the bones. So if the cartilage gets damaged, then it is called osteoarthritis.
Osteoarthritis, okay.
Yes. So we are trying to preserve the cartilage and regenerate the cartilage, which we can do using stem cells, and we can program the stem cells to make only cartilage. So stem cells are like babies. A baby can become a doctor, a baby can become a lawyer.
We can mold it like
Correct.
however we want.
Absolutely.
Okay.